Today you are come to look about a short circuit, how to build a short circuit, to use Multisim to build a short circuit. Right now, you are not going to waste more time to just go and take our component and fix it. This is the starting. Let's go and pick our component. Because a short circuit, we need our supply, power supply. This is my power supply. And I'll come and put it here, drag it there. And the short circuit, we need a resistor. I'll just came to power supply. Okay, sources and can't be. My resistor is here. I'll just take my resistor. Come and put it here to drag it there. And I just need a ground. I'm gonna go and see how get ground. Then come to supply. This is my ground, and I'll take my ground. See, right now I just finished everything with my component. I just finished my component, my everything, and I want to turn my resistor 90 degrees. I'll just put my distance and click, double click, and I'll turn my resistor. This is my resistor. Okay, I'll join everything. And I'll join my ground. Right now, I finished everything. I need oscilloscope. I'll come to here and see. This is my oscilloscope. I'll bring it here to join. If you see the oscilloscope, you have A. The A, you have negative and positive, and you go to B. The same thing happen there. So let me join it and let's see. See, I come to join my negative will go to the power supply side. And I will take my negative side. I will take my negative side to my ground side. Let me get it. And I'll go and open my oscilloscope and see how I'll get my reading and my everything. Yeah, when you came here, this is my oscilloscope. Let me see. Let me on it and let's see the way the reading will give me of everything. Yeah, because right now my everything is working. This is my short circuit. My everything is going on. This is my circuit. Let me see what is happening next. I want to change my reading and see everything is correct. Let me change this thing 200. You see right now my reading is changing It's going, everything is going on wrong. And right now, you did not. Let me go and put it at the note and let's see the way my reading go. Are you see the way right now it's going positive and negative. You divide it the same. Everything is the same. Everything is going on. Check. And let me put it the signal and let's see my signal. Are you see right now? No? When I just put it inside my signal, my everything is there. It just stop because my reading is doing what going on. Let me take it here and see. Yeah, it is the same as this one. Okay. Yes. Let's stop here and let me see. Yeah. So right now my everything is going on. Okay. Till let me see the my destiny. Let me save as okay. Let me save and let's see. You can go and open it and go over again now. Let me just save it and let's see. I'll just come to my file and I'll come to save as. Save as. I will see my everything is here. If I have some file that I just want to put inside that, I'll just go inside the file. But right now, no, I want to save as desktop. The desktop now. I'll just click my desktop and desktop now have some file there. I'll just go and put this inside that. Now you see this here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let me do it this way before. I'll save it here. I'll save it like my file. This is my file. Save as my desktop. Before my desktop no. Before my desktop no. I'll have some file where let me just come and put it inside this file. And this file no, I have some my videos is there. I'll just come here and name it you okay. Save. Right now I save my everything. I will see. This one I finish my everything and save it and my everything. Yes. And right now no, I just finished everything. You see I save it. Let me just go to my desktop because I save it here. Rich mode, let me see. This is my everything. I save it save as at. Okay, you will come to my desktop and desktop this is my video. This is my Multisim. How you see everything is going on. Just see. How you see it is still working. This is my own. How you see. So I just finished everything. By right now, okay, I finished everything. This is my. I just finished my everything. Yes. So let me stop it here.